In this video, we're going to show you to install the driver's side taillight on your Nissan Frontier, located on the back side of the bed. I'm going to start by dropping down our tailgate. Now on the inside of the bed area here, we're going to locate two 10mm bolts. You can also use Phillips head screwdriver on these as well. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those. And grab that taillight and pull it straight out towards you. On the back side we have connectors here. We want to push down on the little release tab and wiggle that connector off. Go ahead and remove that taillight assembly, set it aside. Take your new lamp assembly. We'll go ahead and connect our connectors here. Push those on until you feel it and hear it click into place. And just repeat for the others. Now there's a metal stud right here that goes into a plastic socket or insert in the body or in the bed. Go ahead, line that up. Gently push that into place. Install your bolts. Go ahead and gently snug these down. They don't have to be super tight. You do want to make sure that they're good and snug. Check the gap around your taillight. Ours looks good. Once you have this installed, you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.